Watch Izzy, she's gonna break the board. 2. You're gonna do the karate yell. Yeah. You gonna do that? 3.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta hit it harder. Don't jump. No jumping. Just go. Just slam it. Oh, you gotta
Trini.
Aww.
Turn back up.
Come on.
She gave you a board breaking
Come
hug.
on.
She pinched you a little bit too, didn't she? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Real hard.
You gotta hit it really hard.
Go all the way
Really
through
hard,
it, bud.
Izzy, like really hard.
Get mad at it.
All the way through.
2,
Hit it hard.
3. You gotta hit it hard.
Hard, Izzy, hard.
1. Don't tighten your muscles up. You gotta relax.
Break it like you
You
mean
gotta
it.
relax. You gotta be happy. You gotta be excited. Kind of goofy. Okay.
I feel like you're
Okay. If you get stiff,
Hang
it's not
on,
working.
Trini.
Just with the thumb.
Hang